And so let me invite Martin Eliáš on the stage, who will now introduce you to another essential tool built not only for cartographers, but all the creative people made design of your own maps and support the stories to be told. Please, Eli, welcome on the stage.
All right. Thank you, Achim. I really have to say the satellite looks really, really awesome. We have now heard a lot about all the great ready-to-use maps you can use, but I think it's time to see how you can also create maps with the MapTiler platform. For the last couple of years, we've worked on what we believe is the easiest to use cartography tool on the web. MapTiler gives you the power to create maps you haven't even imagined yet. You know, in the old days, creating a truly custom, branded map for your project required maybe a PhD in a cartography field and some deep development skills. You'd spend countless hours manually changing colors and styling different layers to make sure your business stands out. It was complex, time-consuming, and often led to generic, uninspired maps. But today, we are in a new era of map design. At MapTiler, we believe that anyone should be able to create beautiful, high-performance maps that perfectly fit their brand and seamlessly integrate with their web and applications. And for that, there is the Map Designer, a tool that's as intuitive as it is powerful. Our product team spent thousands of hours to save you both time and money. With the Map Designer, you can literally edit, adapt, and deploy a map in minutes. It gives you a powerful code-free control, so you can make professional changes with just a few clicks. For example, you can take an entire map and change its colors effortlessly with a single saturation shift. And this is the core to our promise: to provide easy-to-use interface that allows you to instantly get the look and feel you want, all while preparing it for easy deployment. Customization is at the heart of the MapTiler platform. It offers you the freedom to make a map that truly represents your brand. You can easily change the colors of the entire maps or individual layers. There's also a great selection of fonts that support more than 70 languages. And for your points of interest, you can pick from a wide range of icons. Search for a specific one by its name and even adjust their size. For example, you can switch out a generic landmark for a custom Colosseum icon. With this level of control, you can also decide what data you want to display, and more importantly, as Luis said before, what you don't. This is a crucial business advantage. For instance, if you're a company like KFC, you want to show customers where your restaurants are, not those of McDonald's or Burger King, right? The Map Designer gives you exactly that power, the ability to display only the features you want to show, with no competition, and ensure your business logic is tightly integrated with the map. Our platform puts professional cartography tools in the hands of anyone without needing specialized skills, helping you elevate maps from functional to beautiful. You can also easily switch your map from a flat Mercator projection to a stunning 3D globe. The platform can also extrude mountains based on elevation data to create a realistic 3D terrain. And for that extra touch of magic, you can even adjust atmospheric visualization to create effects like sunrise or sunset. Isn't that awesome? Beyond just making maps beautiful, the styling process is incredibly smart and efficient for cartographers too. The underlying data layer structure of our new generation of maps was enhanced to maximize the power of the Map Designer tool, making it significantly faster to work with. The streamlined workflow is based on a new naming convention where one layer equals one specific cartographic style. This enhances clarity and organization. And there are other powerful features like those that allow you to group layers into blocks or bulk edits, so you can modify the styling properties for multiple layers at once. You can even copy and paste the visual styles between layers with a right click, saving you valuable time. Work smarter, not harder. And don't forget about the option to integrate your data, because this is where your maps truly become your own. This is an important business advantage, as it allows you to have a tighter integration of your product with location-based services. Showing large amounts of point data from external JSON is really not a problem. Does anyone use the Map Designer then? The next generation of the official Swiss map, created by the cartographers at Swiss Topo, has won the International Cartographic Association Map Award. We're proud that they chose and used our platform for this, and we're happy to have Swiss Topo here with us today. And it doesn't stop with cartographers. Who else uses the Map Designer? First, it's developers. It saves time and resources by providing pre-built base maps and streamlined tool for customization, allowing them to focus on their core product. Then, designers. It gives them full control, full creative control over map styles, fonts, and icons to ensure brand consistency. And of course, companies as such. The platform is trusted across many different industries. There are hundreds of companies that have designed their own maps with the Map Designer. Some of them you can just see on the slides right now. This proves that the Map Designer is simple enough for beginners, and maybe even for managers, to make basic but effective changes. At the same time, it's a powerful tool for professionals that is much easier to use than any competing or open source alternative, allowing them to deliver stunning results in a fraction of the time. And the gap widens even more with our new generation of maps. As you've just seen, literally anyone can and should use the MapTiler Map Designer. We've made it simple, powerful, and effective. So what's next? Well, I invite you to try for yourself. Sign up on maptiler.com and create your first custom map today to see how cool it is.
Together, we create the maps for tomorrow. MapTiler, making maps easy to help everyone understand the world better.